real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. No, they track me, it's really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap.
So welcome back to like my favorite people ever. Today I'm going to be doing a glueless install featuring Virgo Hair. This is a 24-inch 3-inch parting lace wig. Yes, a frontal wig, a lace frontal wig. And I went ahead and I bleached the knots. I didn't even need to pluck it. They did a really good job with the pre-plucking. So today I'm going to do a little slightly detailed video on how I do my baby hairs and how I do my glueless installs. So just stay tuned. So here now, I'm just hot combing it and stuff, trying to get my edges really pressed back and slicked so it looks really nice. For some reason, I like to style my wigs on the mannequin head. Like, I don't like styling it on my head anymore. It's like, once I realized, like, hey, you can do this on a mannequin, I just never styled a wig on my head ever again. So once I manipulate the hair with my hot comb to fall how I want it, I then get it to stay by using my freeze blast spray and my edge control brush that been through hell. As you can see, this brush, oh my god, it looks horrible. I'm sorry guys, don't mind it. But yeah, I then go ahead and spray it and brush the hair back and style it to how I want. And to get it to stay, I then go in with the hot comb and just press it out a bit so that the hair can lay nice and however I style it, as you can see here. So you can continue to spray and brush and comb and repeat until it is as slick and as neat as you like it. It's however you want it, you know? It's all about you when you're customizing your wigs. Oh my god, like I look so crazy. Like I really let you guys see me like this. Like, aren't you so glad I'm this comfortable? So anyways, I go ahead and I cut the lace in the zigzag motion, as you can see here, because if you cut it straight across, it's gonna give you like a straight across hairline. It's gonna look like a line, and we don't want that. We want it to look as natural as possible. So you're gonna go ahead and cut it in a zigzag form, and you want to do that in both sides. So I'll go ahead and cut down the middle, then start on one side, and then when I finish with that side, I go ahead and cut the other side in the same zigzag motion. Do you follow? Okay, so the moment you've all been waiting for, the glueless technique. So I go ahead and get Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray again. Oh my god, I've been coming through with this spray. And I spray, I start from the middle. And you can use a blow dryer if you want, but I usually use my hair because this spray dries really fast. So then I spray, wait till it gets a bit tacky, and just lay my lace right on top. You can also use spritz. I'm gonna do a video one day for you guys with spritz because I use Pump It Up actually, and it holds really good, just as good actually. And yeah, so you go ahead, you start from the middle, then you take it to the sides, give it a few sprays, like just do enough so that you don't have to go layer. I just do enough sprays and go ahead and just fan it a little bit, then take my rat tail comb and press it directly in, and I do this from starting from the middle, and then I do it going from side to side. Make sure you do the ear tab parts separately because those parts tend to be like the hardest. They lift up faster, you know, and you just want to take your time and make sure you press that in and make sure it's laying really flat. So now for this part with the baby hairs, I just go ahead and just pick through any little section, find the thinnest piece of hair, go ahead and trim it down with my scissors, get my spray, rub it in, and then I just style the baby hairs according to how I want. If you pay attention, you're gonna see here how I do it. I'm gonna have a more detailed video for you guys coming soon. Don't worry, I got you guys. So remember, baby hairs are to look light and natural, but also to your liking. Unless you want a dramatic look and you have a dramatic hairstyle, then you get a pass. But when it's a nice, simple hairstyle, then you want a natural baby hair look. So now that we're all done, the baby hair is all laid, the wig is secured, honey. Here is the final look again. I got this hair from Virgo Hair. It is a lace frontal wig with 3-inch parting. I did have some clips of me styling it in different ways, but they got deleted. I'm so angry. I want to break my phone. But look at it, it's really nice. This is 130 density. It's not as full, it's more of a nice and light, you know, natural look. And I went ahead and gave it like a curl test, and to me it holds curls pretty nice. I actually liked it. It came out so nice. So here I'm just playing around with it and seeing how I like it, and I actually really like it. Like, it holds a curl really nice and it falls perfectly. Like, I'm practicing, as y'all can see, I'm practicing. This is how it looks curly, that's how it looks straight. And I went ahead and I threw another curl in on the other side, and it held up really great. Like, this is a really, really nice wig for something simple, like if you want to go to work or you're running out for a night, you know. So I really like it. Like, do you see how nice that looks? Imagine if I was to curl the whole thing. Like, this hair was really nice. Shout outs to Virgo Hair once again. I really loved this unit. Something natural and different from what I normally do. This unit was very, very, very nice and soft. Again, shout outs to Virgo Hair. You know, look at that. Boom, glueless, and it lays back perfect. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned. Love you guys.